Alright, this is Jay Smith, holding it down for the Cakes Mitchell Rap Contest. I hope you like the entry. This is my first one ever. Here we go. Now I'm the definition of undiscovered talent round this bitch. My style is sick and count on this to be a valid analysis. Known to lay down the foulest shit. Competition just don't exist. Get screwed out of this like an Allen wrench when I leave your mouth in paralysis. Pounding fists, got people shouting out for this. Grip the mic so tight my hands just start developing calluses. How is this? When I designed my finest flows, you couldn't find a doper line without a straw inside your nose. I'd be a shitty doctor, bro, cause I ain't got no patience for fake shit. My crew so tight they cut off circulation. Every day I weightlift, yet so fly I feel weightless. Won't be satisfied till I'm on BET's The Basement. So I spit that great shit. That Jay Smith go ape shit. You ain't shit, you fake bitch. I make your shit look ancient. Send my thanks to Cakes Mitch for letting me just wreck this. Because I get so reckless, they wish that I would wreck less. Now if you want more, scream for it. Better hide the mic, you don't want me to reach for it. This my dumb chorus, better run like Forrest. You can never beat me, I'm MC Chuck Norris. Now if you want more, scream for it. Better hide the mic, you don't want me to reach for it. This my dumb chorus, better run like Forrest. You can never beat me, I'm MC Chuck Norris. Now do I have your full attention span? Are you now a fan, or you just hating, getting raging mad? If I had to go against myself, I'd be upset too, cause I'm the shit so much you couldn't flush me in the restroom. I represent the daily grind and making it through shaky times. I rap about my crazy life and all you do is plagiarize. I'm from a town where caution will get tossed into the wind, cause being hard outweighs the smarts when you party with your friends. An argument can spark and then they toss you in the pen. Expensive bonds will make you wonder if you'll see your dogs again. I see this shit so often, man, I fell the victim to it too. I was knocking niggas out one by one and two by two. Don't believe me, ask my crew, and I bet they tell you that it's true. I ain't play that shit. You say my name, I'm coming after you. All I do now is focus on this rap shit. So bet against me, but you ain't gonna get that money back, bitch. Now if you want more, scream for it. Better hide the mic, you don't want me to reach for it. This my dumb chorus, better run like Forrest. You could never beat me, I'm MC Chuck Norris. Yeah, except black. Half. I'm just kidding. Jay Smith, that's my entry. I hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe, do what you guys do. Give me some feedback, let me know what you think.